Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add products to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already. So go right here to shopify.com and open it up. If you have already not logged into your account and created your store, in the upper right corner you are going to go and be able to see the option to go ahead and get started with logging into your account or creating one if you do not already have one. So once you're logged in, you are going to go and be greeted by this home page right here. This is the main page of your store from where we can get started setting it up, managing all our content and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to add products. Basically guys, products, to be able to add them, you are just going to go right here at the left side of the screen where you can find all the sections you can access, and as you can see there is an option that says products. This is what you're going to click on. Once you click on, it's going to open up this new menu from where you can get started adding your products or finding products to sell, where you can browse product sourcing apps. If you want to add your own products, you can either import them from a file that you already own, maybe from a different store and so on, or click the add product option to add them one by one. So here you're going to go ahead and be able to add your title to the product, the description, you can even go ahead and add an image and so on. And once you're satisfied, you have filled out all the info for your product, you're just going to click the save button right here in the bottom right corner. Once you click on save, your product is now going to appear in your product section right here. You're going to go ahead and be able to manage it, update it and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.